Hello dear students. So once again we are going to discuss a very important chapter in our business studies for class 11th. And this is a chapter which you can enjoy. So the name of chapter that is of social responsibility and business ethics. This is chapter number 6 of our text of your textbook. So in this chapter we are going to learn what is the meaning of social responsibilities, different types of the social responsibilities, and what is the role of business organization in case of social responsibilities, and another topic that is of business ethics. So before we start the discussion over the chapter, let's discuss the topic which we are going to learn. So here first we have to find out the concept of social responsibility, and along with that we have to discuss the needs for social responsibilities. We have to identify social responsibilities of business organization towards different interests groups, and as well as we have to analyze the relationship in between the business and the environmental productions, and at the last we have to define the concept of business ethics, and we have to explain the elements of business ethics. So let's start. Before we start, let's discuss something about the social responsibilities. So all the business enterprises, they do different kind of the business activities to earn profit, to earn money, and whatever type of production they do or whatever services they provide, ultimately that activities helps to satisfy the human needs. Human need, it means just to fulfill all the requirements of the society. So on the basis of that we can say business organization and the society, they are interdependent, both are depend on each other. So a business enterprise is permitted by society to carry on industrial or any kind of commercial activities and thereby earn profits. All the business organization, they can earn profit just because of the social cooperation or the cooperation by the society. If society is not going to cooperate any kind of the organization, in that case that business organization can't get sufficient profit. If we are talking about the current situation, and you all are aware about the current situation of our country towards the COVID-19, towards political situation of our country, and some other controversial activities. So in the same case, we have just seen a movie was launched on the different platform. It was Sadak 2, and it was the first movie of India who got maximum dislikes. So because that movie or that thing or the services which has been produced by the producer was not accepted by the society. So if any business organization want to earn profit, then they need to fulfill the demands of the society only. Okay, so manufacturers and sellers sell of alteration goods, making deceptive advertisements, do not paying taxes which are due, polluting the environment, and exploiting workers are some example of social undesirable practices which may increase the profit of enterprises, which has adverse effect on society at large. In fact, it is through socially responsible and ethically upright behavior that business enterprises can get durable success. So we can see if any business organizations doing some if they are cheating with their customers and they are not providing good quality of the products, so that business organization can can get profit, much profit in very short period, but they can't survive in the business organization in the market in long run. So if you want to stay, if you want to fight, or if you want to survive in the market in long run, then you need to fulfill all the requirement of the society. You need to satisfy your customer, you need to provide good quality of the products. So these are the things on which we basically believe. So next we have to discuss over the concept of social responsibility. So social responsibility, that is not a new concept, that is older concept as well as the business organization. But now these days we are giving much focus towards our social responsibilities. So social responsibilities of business refers to its obligation to take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of objectives and value of our society. So social responsibilities are nothing in the concept of business organization. Only the things, only the concept, whatever their obligations towards their society, they need to fulfill. So here we have to find out the social obligations of business organization or the responsibility of business organizations toward the society. So here the assumptions of social responsibility by business enterprises implies that they respect the aspirations of society and would try their best to contribute to the achievement of these aspirations along with their profit interests. So in short we can say social responsibilities involves all the elements of voluntary actions on the part of business people for the benefits of society. So that is just voluntary actions of the business organization. For this, they can't be forced by the government or by any other organizations. Okay, it's totally depend on the business organization how much social activities or how much of activities they perform just to upbring the living standard or the development of the society. So question is there, why we need social responsibilities? If any business organization is there, so the main activities of that business organization to produce goods or to provide services to earn more and more profit. If all the business organization have only the same concept, just only the earning of money, so in that case they will never serve to their society. They will just make any kind of goods, they will produce any kind of goods, and it will be consumed by the customers. Okay, and all the business organization will make more and more profit or money. So here, as we know, any kind of the business organization, those who are engaged in the production activities, they use natural resources, and natural resources, that is not the property of the business owners, because all the individual person having equal rights on their natural resources. If we are talking about any kind of the business organization, just like iron, if iron industries, so although business organization who are engaged in the production of iron and all, they are using natural resources, and on that natural resources we have equal rights, because all the natural resources are provided by the nature without any charges, without any cost. Okay, so that's why all the business organization, if they are going to use the natural resources, then they have to do something for the betterment of their society or for the betterment of us only. So for that purpose the requirement of social responsibility is there. Let's discuss the theoretical portion here. Should a business enterprises, before that there is a question, should a business enterprises be run for the benefit of its owners who may desire to get as much profit as it possible, or else it needs to be responsible for serving the interest of other section of society such as the customer, employees, suppliers, government and community. Social responsibilities also has an element of voluntary action on the part of the business person who may feel free to perform or not to perform such responsibilities. They may also exercise their freedom for deciding the extent to which they would like to serve various sections of societies. In fact, all business people do not feel equally responsible towards the society. So, here, if any producers producing any goods, so they can't enjoy just only the profit. They have some responsibilities towards their society which they have to fulfill, because all the business organization have some responsibility towards different sections. They are responsible for their customers, because customers pay money for getting any goods or the services. So this is the responsibility of producers to provide good quality of the product or according to the requirement of the customers, because we pay 100%, so definitely that goods should be useful for us. Then all the business organization have responsibility towards their employees or their workers, because all the employees or workers work in any organizations for profit motive, for income motive. Okay, so they needed to provide sufficient salaries to their employees which can help them to feed or which can help them to survive. Okay, then after suppliers are those person who supply different kind of the raw materials to the business organization to convert it into the manufacture goods. So it's the responsibility of the business organization to make payment to the suppliers or to place their order to the suppliers timely. Then government always provide different type of the infrastructural facilities to the business organization. So this is the responsibility of business organization to pay their taxes on time to the government. And definitely community, we all are belongs to the community or the society. We are the ultimate consumers also. If we are going to consume something, consume goods or the services, then only that business organization will get sufficient profit. So this is the responsibility of the business organization to do something for the welfare of this community. Okay, and here in our country business organizations can't be forced to do something. It's totally depend on them how much they contribute for the social welfare. As we can see, if once when you will visited any kind of industrial places or industrial towns, so there you can see a big organization or any big organization, they do something for the social development, just like they provide road facilities, medicals, health facilities, okay, education facilities. So they provide these type of the facilities. So it's total depends on that only. So here we have some arguments for the social responsibilities. So before we start discussion over this topics, let me clear you. Arguments, it means it may be in the favor of the social responsibilities or it may be against the social responsibilities. But most probably we use argument for the negative words. Okay, let's start. Existence and growth. This is the first and very important topic, very important points. Business exists for providing goods and services to satisfy human needs. As we know, all the business organization which are exist in the market or they are surviving in the market, they are in the market just to satisfy the human needs. Though profit motive is an important justification for undertaking business activities, it should be looked upon as an outcome of service to the people, in fact, the prosperity and growth of business. That is possible only through the continuous service to society. So all the business organization, they comes into the market with the motive of profit earning, just for the economical motive. But if they want to earn profit in long run or in long duration, then they need to satisfy the consumer needs continuously according to their demands. So if they are doing something for the customers, it means they are fulfilling their social responsibilities. All the business organization can survive into the market, or they can earn more and more profit in the market just because of the fulfilling of their responsibilities. And all the business organizations, they have long term interest. Okay, कोई भी business organization short term के लिए market में नहीं है, तो all the business organizations comes into the market for the long run. So here a firm and its image stands to gain maximum profits in the long run when it has its highest goal as service to society. So now these days, simply you can see all the business organization who are engaged in providing different kind of the goods or the services, they are exist in the market if they are doing for the welfare of society. A very simple example of it that we can see now these days we are using different SIM cards of different network companies or the cellular services providing companies. So just think about the 10 or 15 years back, जब ये मोबाइल सिम कार्ड्स, मोबाइल तो हम छोड़ देते हैं, when SIM card was introduced in the market, okay, at that time the cost of SIM was 2000, 3000, 4000 without any calling facilities. It means you have to recharge your mobile for calling, for incoming and outgoing. बट अगर आज की डेट में हम लोग चेक करते हैं तो आज की डेट में क्या है, सिम कार्ड्स दे आर कम्प्लीटली फ्री. समटाइम्स दीज कंपनीज अलाउ देयर कस्टमर 1 month of subscription for internet or for the calling. Okay, these are the things. It means now these days you have to earn profit. If you want to earn profit, then you have to serve to the society. Okay, and for this purpose I can suggest you to watch a movie, and the name of movie that is of Salesman of the Year, Rocket Singh. That is kind of movie that you can see what is the importance of services. Selling is not important because you can sell goods once, but service is the thing by which you can get more and more profit. Okay, because if we are providing good services, then only it can help us to increase number of customers. When number of customers or number of persons will increase, definitely you will get more and more profit. After this, here we have social responsibility. In the social responsibilities, we have avoidance of government regulations. All the business organizations they need to follow some rules or regulation or the guidelines which are issued by the government authorities time to time. They need to follow it. But if they want to save themselves with all these responsibilities or the unnecessary interruptions of government, so they need to follow the rules. Okay, so that's why this is necessary. Then maintenance of society. People who feel that they are not getting their due from the business may resort to anti-social activities, not necessarily governed by law. This may harm the interest of business itself. Okay, because just like जितना भी इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया होता है वहाँ पे रोड कंस्ट्रक्शंस, सीवेज सिस्टम है ना, हाइजीन मेंटेन करना, पॉल्यूशन डिक्रीज करना, दीज आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इफ these business organizations are not doing so in that field, so in that case society or the group of person, they can do some activities which may be against of the business organization. Just like we can see example for that. अगर कोई business है and they are not making proper treatment with their garbage और द वेस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल्स, जस्ट लाइक किसी टाउन के पास में वो लोग अपना जो वाटर है, पॉल्यूटेड वाटर है, दे यूज़ टू रिलीज इट. सो इन दैट केस द लोकल रेसिडेंट्स और एनी NGO और द गवर्नमेंट, दे कैन टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट दैट बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड सम टाइप दैट टाइप ऑफ द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बी शट डाउन. So if they want, a business organization want to continue, so they need to fulfill some responsibilities in the concept of society. The next, availability of resources for the business, that we have already seen. Okay, all the resources whatever businessmen they use from the use, that is part of society. Basically all the business organization they use three different type of the societies. First is natural resources, second one is human resources, and third one is of economic resources. Okay, just if we are talking about the natural resources, that we have already discussed कि now over the natural resources we all have equal responsibilities. So if business organizations are going to use that natural resources, then they need to do something for the welfare of society. Other than this, they use human resources, because in the business organizations nothing can be happen without the manpower, and manpower comes from the society. And at the last, that is of the economic resources. Economic resources, because we are the ultimate consumers and we are the ultimate investors, because whatever savings are there with us, that we used to save with bank or with the share market, and both whatever amount we have deposited into the bank or whatever amount we have invested into the share market, that amount is ultimately used by the business organizations. Okay, then next, uh, converting problems into the opportunities. So all the business organization they do not do anything new, they just only the resolve the problems of someone, or they resolve the problem of society. Whatever problems we face, business organizations use to solve that problem. It means they convert our problem into the opportunities. So everything whatever we see, our nearby areas which are produced by the different producers or the services provided by the different service provider, that is just only the solution of our problem. Just like we face problems towards the breakfast, so different companies are there which provide different breakfast cereals. बहुत सारे ब्रेकफास्ट की चीज़ें बना करके हमको देते हैं, जो हम 1 मिनट्स 2 मिनट्स 5 मिनट्स में लोग प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, उसको कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. Okay, ready to eat materials are there. So just like we were facing problems towards the pure water, so that's why we have a water purifier in the market. We were facing problems towards the pure air, so in the market you can say now these days air purifiers are there. Okay, so only business organization converts our problems into their opportunities. Then better environment for doing business. Any business organizations can develop in the market or survive in the market if they will provide better environment. Okay, or they will make better environment for their working. If any business organization work for their society or for the upliftment of their pupil, then easily they will get lot of name and fame, and that name and fame will help them to earn more and more profit. Because if business organization do something for the society, then society used to serve for the business also. Okay, here it is argued that the business system should be something to meet needs before it is confronted with a suitable when its own survival is endangered due to enormous social illness. A society with favor problems provides better environment for a firm to conduct its business organization. As we have seen, if business organization we do something for the society, then definitely society will reward. Then here next, arguments against social responsibility. As we know, each coin have two sides. Some have positive side, some have negative side, and in the world we have different type of the people. Some are positive thinking, some are of negative thinking, or they can give different reaction on the same activities. Okay, so here we have something which are against the social responsibilities. Violation of profit maximization object. As we know, all the business organization have economic objective. It means they focus how they can maximize their profit, how they can earn more and more profit. According to this argument, business exists only for profit maximization. Therefore, any talk of social responsibilities is against this objectives. Okay, as we know, all the business organization, they comes into the market for getting more and more profit. If they will start thinking over the social welfare, it means they need to spend something for the betterment of society, so it will decrease their earnings. Okay, next we have burden on consumers. Definitely, if any business organization is going to do something for the society, for the betterment of society, then definitely the final cost, ultimate cost, they will shift to the customers only. Okay, last, lack of social skills, because all the business organization come with the same motive, same mood. Okay, and they don't have any kind of ideas for the social welfare, because they are not trained for that purpose, they are trained for the economic purpose, so they may fails to solve the social problems. In fact, businessmen do not have the necessary understanding and training to solve these social problems. Okay, so it was some concept which was against the social responsibilities, and lack of board public support. And sometimes once when business organization do something for the social welfares, they do not receive sufficient support from the public or from the government sides. Okay, so that's why they do not worried about that type of the activities, and they just focus on their core concept, that is of earning of profit. Okay, so it was something about the social responsibilities, about their in their favor, or some points was there which were just against of it. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the reality of social responsibilities and all. Bye bye class.